Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to talk about how to find Discord servers you left or the old one servers you left. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to Discord, and once you are here you have on the left your Discord servers. Now if you have had like messages from some servers, so let's say you were talking with any of these guys over here, you can always go to their profile and you can see from where the member scenes, and you can always see if they are connected to any other mutual servers, and then that way you can find that old server. Another way is unfortunately to just remember or guess what the server name was. The other way is that you can try to find how you got the link. So for example, if you saw a YouTube video, just try to find that YouTube video and rejoin the server again. Or if it's your friend's server, just let them know that you want to be reinvited again. I mean, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I mean, another way to do it, if you go to your messages and potentially you had a chat with this server bot, for example, then you will be able to see the chat here and join it that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.